tell you the story of how speed dating actually began here in Montreal in the 1690s, right in the old city. Did you know that Benjamin Franklin actually stayed and lived in Montreal in his house, or the house that he stayed in is including the building behind me, which was the headquarters of the Grand Trunk Railway. Now, if you're a Downton Abbey fan, then that name might sound familiar because at one point Lord Grantham loses his fortune to the Grand Trunk Railway. And he loses the fortune because Charles Hayes, who was the president who ran the Grand Trunk, was an amazing CEO. And unfortunately, he was on the Titanic. And that's when the Grand Trunk really didn't do very well. If you want to join me for definite stop on one of my food tours is at La Drogueria. They're really well known for their tomato sauce. You can smell the garlic, it's so incredible. They're only found in the city. Why on earth would we build staircased houses, the type of climate that we have? How do you get to the third floor? Is it one house?